Don't scroll, it's me again. I posted a short video of myself with products I got from Anwa and Yestal. Yeah, it's a PR package from them. And I happen to be on Yestal's influencer program since last year, I think. Yes, so here is like a little unboxing video. Okay, what is this? And this is the Anwa PDR hyaluronic acid 100% moisturizing cream. And we have the, what's this? Okay, so this is the sunscreen from Anwa. This is 50% SPF. Yeah, I can't wait to try it. Honestly, this is my first PR package from the brand. Okay, and ooh, see, I've been wanting to buy this particular serum for a long time. This one, I can't wait to try it. Honestly, and I believe it's going to work for me because I've seen the reviews and everything, and it's great. So I can't wait to try this. And this one too. This is I think it's a pad, not pad. Ooh. So this is the brightening pad. It's like I think eye patch or something like that. Yeah, and I can't wait to use this bro. I'm excited. I don't know why. Well, maybe because this is my first PR package from them, and I got a face mask from them too. I got a face mask. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. So yeah, these are the items I got from them. And I got a thank you. I think I got a thank you complimentary card too, which I posted up yesterday. I can't find it, but yeah, these are the products I got from Anwa and Yestal. I just hope I get back to posting and so see you guys in the next video. I know this video is very chaotic. See, I don't know. I can't do all this aesthetic, like trying to sound big. I can't do all of those things. I'm just dramatic. I'm just being me. I'm just so enjoy this video whilst I look beautiful and be myself. So yeah, see you guys in another video where I start using these products. I already have a good skin, and I know these are going to do justice to my skin more. So thank you guys for watching.